English to Tagalog Common Conversation Practice Part 1. How can I get to the bus terminal?
Paano pumunta sa terminal ng bus?
Take a jeep going downtown. Ask the driver to drop you at the terminal.
Sumakay ka ng jeep papuntang bayan. Sabihin mong ibaba ka sa terminal.
Is there a sign that says, bus terminal?
May karatula ba na, bus terminal?
Yes, you'll see it near the gasoline station.
Meron, makikita mo ito malapit sa gasolinahan.
Oh, okay. How long will it take to get there?
Sige. Gaano po katagal ang biyahe papunta doon?
Around 15 minutes if there's no traffic.
Mga 15 minuto kung walang traffic.
Do I need exact fare?
Kailangan po ba ng eksaktong bayad?
Not really, but it's better to prepare coins.
Hindi naman, pero mas mabuti kung may barya ka.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Sige po, maraming salamat.
You're welcome. Be careful on the trip.
Walang anuman. Ingat sa biyahe.